Oh no, looks like more junk showing up. Oh, we haven't had a Dodge truck out here yet. That'll be good. Well, I guess this will be the Dodge's final resting place. In with the new, out with the old. It looks good from a distance. Looks like it got a fresh paint job just for the delivery. Looks like you gave it a fresh paint job just to make it extra famous. No? Looks all fresh, like week old.
It's not. It's probably, I don't know, a couple years anyway.
Oh, it's got the fanciest hubcaps ever. Are you keeping those or leaving them?
I don't want anything.
Oh.
It's my dad's, So.
Okay. Does it drive up on there? Has a battery in it?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. We don't very often get them with working batteries.
Battery.
Oh.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah. I think it almost has a full tank of fuel too.
The 6-cylinder or the 4-cylinder?
6.
All right. We got some redneck rigging there.
Yeah.
What's that holding in the gas tank? I guess I'll have to do a better job than that. Has lots of silicone too. It'll definitely fall out on the bumps.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, well, what's that, rubber patch? Cool.
I thought it was scrape a Bondo at first, but it was rubber.
Wow, that fresh new paint job. Brand new tires to boot on all 4. We'll have to peel those off and save those. Oh, cool. Even sounds ready. Okay, Wayne, we got fresh meat for you to screw up. Can't wait to get that paint job all muddy, can ya? Oh, perfect. A runner and a driver. Well, now, Wayne, you can be a Wayniac. A Wayniac driver. Well, definitely a good runner. How many kilometers on this thing? 217,000. That should be good and long lasting. Cleaner than most things I get out here. Lots of redneck body work. Good enough. Cool. That's a good mirror repair. It's all red. The whole truck's been redneck. Even comes plated, but we'll take those off.